Okay, the problem we're going to try to solve here is that for special ed teachers or recess or resource teachers that have their own rosters, they still need to be able to go and check out missing assignments and grades in their students' Canvas courses for other teachers. So this is going to be kind of a workaround here, a solution. We'll try it out and hopefully it'll work. I'm going to pretend that this meteorology class is a class that I have a resource list of people in. And so the first thing you need to do is you need to go and you click on the people link, and that'll generate your roster. And you're going to come up here to this kebab up here in the upper right, and you're going to export pairing codes. So this is going to export all your pairing codes in a CSV file down at the bottom, which you can't see. And I'm going to open that up. And it's going to look something like this. So it'll have their last name, first name, and then all these pairing codes here. So you just need to have that handy. And then what you're going to do is you click up Account up here on the upper left. And you're going to click on Profile. And over here on the left, you might see a list of people that you're already observing. So we're going to be kind of making you an observer like parents are observers of their students. There's a little glitch. I'm not observing anybody right now. If you're not observing anyone, for the first time you go in, you have to do a really little tricky thing. Up in the URL, it says urbandale.instructure.com/profile because you're on your profile page. You need to click behind here, put a slash, and then type in observees. Observees, I guess is how you'd say it. And then hit return. And that'll actually take you to basically kind of a hidden page. And so it's going to say observing, you put in a student pairing code, and you add the student. I'm going to copy this pairing code right here. And then I'm going to come in here, I'm going to paste it in right there, and I'm going to click plus student. And it says now observing student 11 Urbandale. I'm going to do one more just to show you how it works. I'm going to paste that student code in. I'm going to do plus student. Now I'm observing student 7 Urbandale. So now if I come back, click account again, and click on your profile, now you'll see that there's actually a thing that says observing. That's not going to be in there originally, so you have to do the little trick in the URL. But now when you come to your profile, it'll say observing, and it'll say all the people that you're observing. And if you ever want to remove them and you don't need to observe them anymore, you can come in here and just click remove. I'll just remove 11. So I'm not observing that student anymore. So the way this works now is if you Canvas, you're a teacher, you go to your dashboard. Now up here at the top, you'll see this drop down thing. And it'll be on your name, so you'll see all of your classes that you're a teacher in, or maybe you're even a student in. But now up at the top, you're going to see a drop down, and you can choose whatever student you want to observe. So if I want to observe student 7 Urbandale, I can click on them and I can see the course, and I can go in their course and see all the things they're doing. But what I've added down here on the bottom left, this grades icon, so when you're on this page, you're going to be able to see courses that you're taking, that you're a student in. It's going to show you any grades that you might have in those particular students. Down here, it's going to show you courses that you're teaching. And what it's going to do is going to show you an average grade for all the students that are in that particular course. But then right here in the middle, if you're observing someone, it's going to show linked student accounts. And so you're only linked to one student here. It has their course, and over here would be their grade that they're having in that particular course at this time. If I click on this, it's going to actually take me to student 7's grades in that particular class. And you'll be able to scroll down here and find out missing assignments and things that they need to do. So that's going to be our solution. Hopefully this will work for our special ed and our resource and our recess teachers. If you have any questions, just let me know.